A planet does not recognize borders. Carbon crosses airspace. Oceans circulate heat. Weather systems ignore sovereignty. Yet our solutions remain national. This is the core contradiction. Nations act independently, but planetary systems respond collectively. One country reduces emissions, another expands extraction. One restores forests, another clears land. The planet averages the outcome. This is why national isolation fails. Planetary cycle theory shows that once a system exceeds a certain scale, local optimization becomes irrelevant. The climate is such a system. No single nation controls enough surface area, atmosphere, or ocean volume to stabilize Earth alone. Even the largest economies operate below planetary threshold. This is not a moral failure. It is a structural limitation. National governments evolved to manage people, borders, and economies. They did not evolve to manage biospheres. As long as action remains fragmented, costs are uneven, incentives conflict, free riding dominates, long-term planning collapses. Every nation waits for another to move first. Delay becomes policy. Meanwhile, planetary feedback loops accelerate. Ice loss reduces albedo. Heat increases evaporation. Storm intensity rises. Food systems destabilize. These are not negotiable outcomes. They are physical responses. Planetary coordination is not globalism. It is systems engineering. Just as air traffic requires shared protocols and oceans require shared rules, the climate requires unified constraints. Without coordination, national success becomes planetary failure. In the next episode, we examine why markets amplify this fragmentation and why price signals cannot correct planetary damage.